How do I create a second Instagram account for my business? I'm going to tell you how to create a second Instagram account for your business. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right. And then tap the three lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Add Account. Here, you can either log into an existing account or tap Create New Account. To set up a new one, follow the prompts to choose a username, password, and other details. If this account is for business, consider switching to a professional account in Settings, Account Type, and Tools, and switch to Professional Account. This gives you access to analytics, insights, and advertising tools. Once set up, switching between accounts is easy. Just tap to your profile icon and select the account you want. Plus, linking it to a Facebook page can help manage promotions and customer engagements more efficiently.